Welcome back to Vertex 10. My name is Pihika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to IELTS exam. So let's get started. The first word is significant. Sentence: climate change has a significant impact on global ecosystems. Synonyms: important, considerable. Antonyms: insufficient, trivial. The next word is consequence. Sentence: pollution has serious consequences for public health. Synonyms: result, outcome. Antonyms: cause, origin. The next word is advocate. Sentence: many experts advocate for renewable energy solutions. Synonyms: support, promote. Antonyms: oppose, discourage. The next word is substantial. Sentence: government made substantial investments in education. Synonyms: considerable, large. Antonyms: minimal, negligible. The next word is implement. Sentence: schools should implement effective anti-bullying policies. Synonyms: execute, apply. Antonyms: abandon, neglect. The next word is perspective. Sentence: understanding different perspectives helps us resolve conflicts. Synonyms: viewpoint, outlook. Antonyms: ignorance, blindness. The next word is educate. Sentence: students need adequate time to prepare for examinations. Synonyms: sufficient, enough. Antonyms: inadequate, insufficient. The next word is fundamental. Sentence: education is fundamental to economic development. Synonyms: essential, basic. Antonyms: secondary, minor. The next word is controversy. Sentence: new policy sparked considerable controversy among citizens. Synonyms: debate, dispute. Antonyms: agreement, conscious. The next word is deteriorate. Sentence: air quality continues to deteriorate in major cities. Synonyms: decline, worsen. Antonyms: improve, enhance. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: significant. Your challenge: write a sentence using significant about your IELTS preparation journey. Share your target IELTS brand score. If you like this, if you are preparing for IELTS exam, subscribe for daily IELTS vocabulary. Share with IELTS test takers. Also try making new sentences with these words. See you tomorrow with 10 more English words. Bye bye.